Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Alley in the Valley. I hope you're having a great summer. I'm having a great summer. It's the beginning of the summer and I'm having fun. Matter of fact, we're having so much fun because my kids are on break. My daughter made this berry jam, which is really taking blueberries with sugar, make a saucepan. Then a saucepan, she made jam. So what does a mom like me do? We make a cocktail out of it. That's right, baby. We make a cocktail. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. So easy. You take some of the jam that she made, homemade jam that tastes yummy. There you go. Vodka. Now this is cucumber, organic cucumber vodka. You can also use berry vodka. I couldn't find the berry vodka. I know they have it somewhere. I'm doing like 3/4 of a shot. And actually the cucumber gives it a more refreshing kind of taste. Then look at these diamond ice cubes I got. I got an ice cube tray, at Michael's, but they're so cute for the summer. They look like diamonds. I wish I had a real diamond like that. Look, a real diamond, no. Then you do lemon, okay? Then you do bubbly water. You can do Prosecco, champagne, or bubbly water. This is a daytime cocktail for me right now. I'm not trying to get toe up by the pool, but if you wanted to make it a little stronger, you can always put Prosecco or champagne. And I put it in the mason jars to keep the farmhouse look, because I do live in a farmhouse, and you shake. Instead of in a shaker, you shake. Make sure this is closed because you put bubbly water in it, or champagne or Prosecco. It will blow up on you. So you shake it up, open it up, drop your berries in there, some herbs, whatever kind of herbs you have. You could do mint, whatever you like. And there you have your summer berry cocktail, or your farmhouse summer cocktail, whatever you want to call it. But here it goes. That is so good. It tastes like blueberry, like, I don't even know, blueberry yummy cocktail. That's what moms do. We take something like preserves and make vodka cocktails. You know where you can get the recipe? www.alleyinthevalley. This